Well, what am I supposed to say about that? Oops. Let's try to walk around here. Yeah, it's nasty. Blowing like crazy still. Plows back. That just makes me sad.